Hello friends. Welcome back to my channel. This video is for speaking practice and to help you improve your English. The more you listen and repeat, the better your English will become. Today's topic is very special. It's not just about life. It's about you. It's about your dreams. And it's about where your focus should be. The topic is chase your dreams, not people. This means don't waste your time running after people who don't value you. Instead, use that time to work on your dreams, goals, and future. Let's talk about this deeply, step by step. And remember, I'm using simple English so everyone can understand and speak easily. Let's begin. What does it mean to chase people? In life, many people chase others. They follow them. They try hard to impress them. They try to get attention. They try to get love. They try to get approval. They keep thinking, what will he think about me? What will she say if I do this? Will they like me? Will they accept me? They try to be perfect for others. They forget about themselves. They forget about their goals. They forget about their happiness. Some people spend years doing this. They change themselves for others. They lose their real identity. And in the end, those people still leave. They walk away. Why? Because when you chase people, you give them the power. You give them control over your emotions. You become weak. And no one respects weakness. People respect strength. People respect confidence. People respect those who believe in themselves. So chasing people never works. Even if you try very hard. You cannot make someone love you. You cannot make someone stay. What happens when we forget our dreams? When we spend all our time chasing others. We lose time. We lose energy. We lose focus. We stop growing. We stop learning. We stop dreaming. And slowly, life becomes boring. Life becomes sad. We start asking questions like, why am I not happy? Why do I feel empty? Why am I tired all the time? The answer is simple. Because we are not living our own life. We are living someone else's life. We are trying to fit into someone else's world. But your life is your own. You have your own dreams. Your own voice. Your own path. And your own journey. If you ignore your dreams, you are ignoring your future. What does it mean to chase your dreams? Now, let's talk about chasing your dreams. This is the most powerful thing you can do in your life. Chasing your dream means times knowing what you love, times believing in your abilities, times working hard every day, times not giving up, even when it's hard. Times taking small steps every day. Your dream could be anything. Maybe you want to be a teacher. Maybe a doctor. Maybe a singer. A writer. An artist. A business person. An athlete. A speaker. Or simply, a happy and peaceful person. It doesn't matter what the dream is. What matters is that you follow it. When you chase your dream, you wake up excited. You feel alive. You grow every day. You become better every day. You find peace inside. You find purpose. Why people come and go? Now, some people ask, but what about friends? What about love? What about relationships? Here is the truth. People will come and go. Some will stay. Some will not. Some will love you. Some will use you. Some will support you. Some will walk away. And that is normal. That is life. You cannot control people. You cannot control their thoughts, their decisions, their actions. But you can control yourself. You can control your mindset. You can control your effort. You can control how you react. So, don't make people your whole world. Make your dream your world. Let people be a part of it, not the center of it. Because when people leave, you will still have your dream. You will still have your purpose. You will still have yourself. Build yourself. When you chase your dream, you are building yourself. You are investing in your future. You are growing your mind. You are building your confidence. You learn new skills. You learn new lessons. You meet new people. You create new opportunities. And when you build yourself, you don't need to chase anyone. People start noticing you. People respect your growth. People admire your courage. The right people come to you. This is true power. How to stop chasing people? If you want to stop chasing people, start by asking yourself a few questions. 1. Why am I chasing them? 2. Do they value me? 3. Do they respect me? 4. Am I happy when I am with them? 5. What am I losing by chasing them? When you reflect, you will understand the truth. Then shift your focus. Start giving time to yourself. Take care of your body. Take care of your mind. Spend time alone. Start reading. Start writing. Start learning. Start dreaming again. Make a plan for your dream. Set small goals. Take small actions. Celebrate your progress. Why this message is important for the world? Many people in the world are unhappy. They feel lost. They feel empty. They feel rejected. Because they are chasing people. Especially young people. They get hurt in relationships. They feel lonely. They stop believing in themselves. This message is important. You are enough. Your dream matters. You have a purpose. Your life is not about impressing others. Your life is about becoming the best version of yourself. When you chase your dream, you become that version. Let's repeat for speaking practice. Now, I will speak some lines. You can repeat after me for practice. Let's begin. Times I will not chase people. Times I will chase my dreams. Times I believe in myself. Times my dream is my focus. Times I am growing every day. Times I don't need to beg for love. Times I respect myself. Times I am enough. Times I will become the person I dream of. Times I choose peace. Times I choose purpose. Times I choose my future. Say these every day. Speak with confidence. Feel the words. Live the words. Your dream is waiting for you.